What, according to the speaker, is the child's food not yet aware into the food from its child? That it is a food. Mention one of the things that the child's food like to be into the food from its child. A butterfly or an apple. According to the speaker, what would like to be a butterfly or an apple? The child's food. Where is the child's food condemned to live according to the speaker? In a shoe. What is out of touch with its fellow in the poem? The foot. Who feels out life like a blind man in the poem to the food from its child? The foot living in a shoe. What do the soft nails of the child change themselves into the food from its child? Opaque substance. What are the toes of the child compared to? Petals. What form do the petals' toes take on? Eyeless reptiles. What does the blind thing refer to into the food from its child? The food. Mention any of the places through which the foot walks. Fields, mines, markets, ministries. How long does the foot walk in to the foot from its child? Until the whole man chooses to stop. Where did the foot descend after it ceased to be in to the food from its child? Underground. In to the food from his child, the food scarcely take time to bear itself. In love or sleep. In to the food from his child, when descending underground, the food finds everything. Dash. Dark.